Phanessa here. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the alternating front and back loop single crochet. So I'm just using worsted weight and whatever it recommended, which is 5.5 millimeters. Alright, let's get started. So for this pattern, it's in multiples of 2 plus 1. Okay, starting with a chain of 18, I'm going to chain one more for the turning chain. Now you're going to work one single crochet into the second chain from the hook. This is the first and that's the second. You can work either right through the center, or I like to go through the back. So if you turn right through there, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 into the next stitch, chain stitch, one single crochet. So continue working one single crochet in every chain stitch across. So this is a part of the crochet series for beginners, how to crochet. I'll leave a link for the playlist if you're interested in checking out the videos before this one. I hope you are enjoying these videos. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps my channel out. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Okay, so now we're going to start our next row. Chain 1 and turn. The chain 1 does not count as a stitch, so we're not going to work into this here. This is the chain 1. We're going to alternate between the stitches, so we're going to start with back loops, and then the next stitch we're going to work through the front loop. Okay, so back loop, one single crochet, front loop, one single crochet. So if you want to see these back loop single crochet or the front loop single crochet only, you can check those videos. It's all in the playlist. Okay, so that was front. Now I'm going through the back. Now we're going through the front. So you're just alternating between the back loop and the front loop. Oops. So front loop and back loop. Front loop and back loop. Okay, I've got my last 2 stitches here, back loop. I'm at the last stitch. Again, if you're not sure, it's best to count your stitches so that you don't miss any. Okay, so now you just repeat that last row, chain 1 and turn. Again, we're going to start here. This is the chain 1, it doesn't count as a stitch. Going through the back loop first, and then the front loop. Back loop, front loop. You don't always have to start with the back loop, just make sure that you're consistent. So if you start with the front loop, you should always start with the front loop on the next row. Okay, so I'm going to alternate front and back loops for several rows, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here is what it looks like. It has this pretty texture. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. It really helps out my channel. And hit that notification button if you want to be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.